Probably the most popular tour we have is going to the smallest island of Inis Oírr. It's only a 15-minute crossing. And then when the boat is coming back from the island, we're taking a tour underneath the base of the cliffs. That's probably our most popular tour, but we also this year introduced the second high-speed ferry, which gets to the larger island in only 35 minutes. So, you know, all the islands are very, very accessible now at high speed and in short distance. And a lot of the old world charm is still evident on the island. Irish language is the natural language, or the language spoken by its people. It's a lovely, great place for culture and history. Cater for all types of groups of people, but especially families, you know, of all ages. Very safe place to be. There's a whole lot of cars on the island, so there's no traffic. It's a different way of life.